Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about a very simple technique to say goodbye to your traumatic past. The whole idea is to handle the past mistakes or the memories. Oftentimes, we feel stuck in our past. We might have moved on significantly in our lives, but suddenly, someday, the past memories, the people, places, mistakes, guilts, hurts, decisions start haunting us. I personally believe that to avoid this haunting past, it's better to first accept it as our property and then wage a war against it internally. The more we reject the past by getting involved into thoughts like, how could I do this? Why did I choose this? Why did I say this? Why did I go there? The more you get involved into such thoughts, the more it becomes difficult for you to move on and transform. Well, you may either fight back or succumb to it. Choice is entirely yours. Meditation, listening to music, talking to someone, etc. may help, though we all know such motivations are short-lived. The actual and the most powerful weapon against such traumatic mental war is quietening of your mind, followed by transformation and perspective. So the stepwise formula is, firstly, accept your past. Whether it was your mistake or somebody else, accept it. Then, wield the sword of self-review. Then, do everything possible to silence your mind. And lastly, transform your perspective towards past, present, future, your life, others, individuality, various aspects of life, etc. This is the only way to come out of the vicious cycle of energy draining thoughts. We only have this moment at hand. Past and future are nowhere to be caught hold of. They are only in your head. There's a proverb. Two men looked out of the prison bar. One saw mud, the other one saw the stars. I repeat. Two men looked out of the prison bar. One saw mud, the other one saw the stars. What would you see? So let's get up, break and come out of that torturous past and get ready to rewrite the future. Stay blessed, stay healthy and happy. Thank you.